Hey, it's Sandy. Welcome back to Cute Polish. In today's nail art tutorial, Erin will be sharing 10 mix and match nail designs that can all be created just by using household items. That's right, no professional nail tools are required.
Hey guys, it's Erin. So before I start any nail art, I'm applying a base coat to all my nails. For this first dotted floral design, all you're going to need is a bobby pin. So I'm starting off with a mint green base. Then I'm taking my bobby pin and putting 5 pink dots in a little circle and filling in the center. Once that's dry, I'm adding a dot to the center of each flower. And finally, apply a top coat. This next design is really trendy and I've seen it everywhere online and on a lot of celebrities. It's a cow print design, so you want to start off with a white base. Then when that's completely dry, I'm taking my bobby pin again and just creating some messy blobs with some black acrylic paint to be the spots for the cow print. And finally applying a top coat. For the next design, all you're going to need is scotch tape, so I'm taking the first piece of scotch tape and putting that horizontally on my nail. Then I'm painting over that with a white nail polish and peeling the tape off before the polish is dry. Now I'm applying a layer of top coat just to help dry that first layer because I'm going to do another set of tape over it. So now that it's completely dry, I'm taking another piece of tape and putting it down vertically on my nail, and then painting over that with a black nail polish. And again, peeling off the tape before it's dry. So this is just a really simple and classy look, and just applying a top coat. For this next design, all you're going to need is a band-aid. So I'm taking the curved end of the band-aid and placing that firmly down on my nail. Then I'm painting over that with any polish color. I chose this light blue. And then peeling off the band-aid before the polish is dry. Then I'm taking my bobby pin again and I'm going to be adding some white dots with a white nail polish just to add a little bit of a fun pattern to this design. And once it's dry, applying a layer of top coat. For design number 5, all you're going to need is the brush right out of the bottle of nail polish. So I'm starting off with a white base. Then what you want to do is take your nail polish color of choice and wipe almost all of the nail polish off the brush. Then you want to lightly brush the nail polish across your nail in angled patterns. I decided to go with a few different neon shades here, and just layer them and overlap them to kind of create this multi-dimensional neon design. It ends up kind of looking cross-hatched and abstract. And applying a layer of top coat once I'm done. For this next design, all you're going to need is a toothpick and a glitter nail polish. So you can actually take the glitters straight from the nail polish bottle and use your toothpick to place them down in a design on your nail. So for this one, I just found this silver glitter and I'm placing them over this minty blue base. And of course, seal them in with a top coat. This next one is an angled French tip design, so you can start off with a nude base. I decided to go with white here. Then I'm taking a light pink polish and from the side of my nail, pulling it towards the center in a straight line to create an angled triangle. Then repeating that process with a darker pink. You can use tape as well if you have trouble making straight lines. And sealing everything in with a top coat. For this next design, you can just use the brush straight out of the bottle. So I'm taking this light purple, and with a little bead of nail polish at the end of my brush, I'm pulling it straight down my nail in 3 sections to create this scalloped edge. Once that's dry, I'm repeating that with a slightly darker purple. And finally, a third darker shade of purple for a monochromatic look. And finally, applying a layer of top coat. This next design is super cute, and all you need is a bobby pin. So I'm starting off with a light pink base. Then I'm taking my bobby pin and some black acrylic paint, and I'm going to create some paw prints. What I want to do is put 3 little dots in a little cluster together to create a kind of misshapen heart. That's going to be the center of the paw, and then add 4 little dots around it for the little paw toes. And this last design is a super easy kiwi design. So I'm painting my nail green. Then I'm taking a white nail polish, and this doesn't have to be perfect, so you can take the brush right out of the bottle and create an oval shape in the center of your nail. Then with my bobby pin and the white nail polish, I'm creating some messy lines coming out of the center. And finally, with a toothpick for some smaller dots and my black acrylic paint, I'm putting some seeds on the kiwi. And don't forget to apply a top coat. So those are all 10 designs you can do with no special nail art tools required. We really hope you guys enjoyed this video and found it helpful. If you want to watch more Q Polish videos, you can click these boxes here, and subscribe to Q Polish by clicking the circle here for new videos every week. You can also subscribe to my personal nail art channel by clicking the circle here.